Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to do a quick 5.1 surround a home theater tour, and over here is my projector. It's the Epson EHTW610 HD projector, and underneath I have the Wii U. Over here I have the Apple TV 4, I think. It's a 4K Apple TV. I don't know why I have that. And up here I have my PlayStation 5 and one of the surround speakers. I also have all of my pop figures that I collect. And here is my couch that I use for watching movies and TV shows. And over here is my Coca-Cola mini fridge that I store cold drinks in. For example, Coke Zero, which is my favorite drink. And here is my Ender 3D printer that I sometimes print things on. Yeah, here's a overview of the room that I have this home theater in, or I like to call it just a room with a projector and screen, because it's not really a dedicated home theater, but I like it. And here's my Elite screen, 120-inch projector screen. It's from Elite Screens, as I said, and I got it for around $150. And here is the surround speakers. It's the Logitech Z906 speakers that I use for my home theater, and this is how they look from the front. And here's the console that controls the sound. I'm going to turn it on because I was thinking of watching a movie with you guys just for a couple of minutes to see how it looks and sounds. So let's turn the projector and the speakers on, and let's start watching. And yeah, no, I need to fix the cables behind my projector. I'm going to do that someday, but yeah, let's start watching.
You could have a chance at the... Takes the title, an American. How can I outbreak you on the next turn, Bob? Nice try, Bob.
yeah, that was a quick review of this movie, and if you want to watch the full movie, it's on Disney Plus. But yeah, this doesn't really give you the best kind of view of the projector. You need to see it in person to really see how good it is, but I think it gives a pretty good overview of how it looks and sounds. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please comment what I could do in the next video. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.